It's that extreme mimic, the Lyre.
The sequence with the Lyre birds I really love because I actually heard that going on.
What bird has the most elaborate in the world? Yes, there are lots of birds. The superb Lyre.
To persuade the close and admire blooms, he sings the song he can manage, by playing the songs of all the other he hears around him, which is the chorus. It's a very convincing impersonation. Even the original is fooled. Imitate the calls of at least 20 different species. He also, in his attempt to outsing, incorporates other sounds that
Somebody's chopping wood, or a car horn's going off, and then go in the middle of it. Wait a minute, I heard a kookaburra noise, and hearing was the repertoire of that particular Lyre.
Camera shutter. And now a camera with a motor drive. And car alarm. Now, our forest change by.
Each individual bird has a different repertoire. Of course it does, you know, all certain noises do.